What's up, guys? Guess what game we are playing today? We are playing Ninja Legends. Can you see me? I hope you can. What? What's this? Get out of here. Why won't this get off my screen? Everything's loading in. I saw my shurikens, my big ability. You could see me in the bottom left corner. Let me just show you. This video. This video I may be ranking up. Elementing up. Is that even a word? I don't know. I wonder. If I go here, with it, how much is the next rank I have? And comment down below what rank you are. What you want to trade, but oh, they won't trade me. Trade. Someone at least wants to trade. No one wants to trade. Oh, God. Are you in a higher rank? Joy, Dragoya, Drum Master, Cat Sensei. Those are the better ranks. Case Legend, Master of Elements. What is that? The rank you need. It's like one of these two is the rank you need to get into the Ultra Elements. You have trash pets. After I show you the rank I am, I'm going to show you my pets. These are the even better ranks, up to that one. These are the great ranks. Great. But we're not done. These are some of the best ranks. That's the final rank. Not far. That one's SE, another close. C. Don't get lost in space with me. No, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, I'm in outer space. I'm floating away. For some reason, this space island does not have gravity. The Earth, just as an island. But there's 17 islands to live in it, and I don't have that. I don't have this game pass, so I would climb 17 islands a day. Well, not day, like most of the time. These attacks that I don't have, I don't know what it's gonna be, because I was surprised when they, the Z Master was all crazy up. Then they got the Ultra Beast, and I thought that was the limit. Then they have the Infinity Lord. I thought nothing would beat it. Chaos Titan is better. Like, I wonder what's going to be next. These are four of this pet. This is the best pet I have. I have Chaos Titans. And if you want me to do something, well, if you want me to play any games, let me know. Because you could let me know and I might play your game. I'm going to have to read your comments though. That's going to be rare. But can't see my pets no more. I'm just a Shadow Chaos Assassin with no pets. What do I have pets? Pets. Why is this back? Okay. Show you the best places I have. Hang on. Ow, my leg. Ugh. Yes, travel to the valley. I don't know if there's a valley or crystal land. No, didn't want to buy that. Nope, got the worst one. Sky Storm. Sky Storm? No, it's a Sky Soul Master or another Soul Master. I have not gotten that one or the other secret crystal. Let me show you the two locations, the two secret crystals. Away from the crystal. Version? Yeah. Plus, yeah. The older elements, most people have it. It's not very new. I'll show you the two elements I own. But I want you to comment guessing which elements I have. Do I have Lightning, Inferno, Frost, Shadow, Masterful Wolf, Chaos Light, no, Electro Chaos, Shadow Fire, or Enchanted Storm? Guess which one I have. If you guess Inferno and Masterful Wolf, you are correct. I have both of these. The reason I have them is because they give me +1 pets. I may be buying another ring today. Not ring, an element. That's if I get really lucky. If you're really lucky. The next element I want to buy is going to be this one. Let me have you. Did I buy it? No, I didn't. Gosh dang it. Why is the sky all red? This never happened. That's only in the Infinite Starter that I have. The sky's blue here. That's not normal. Where it is. Huh? Do you see like that red? Or like the color of this? I'm confused. It was just never mind. But we're in the outer elements for a reason. Not just showing my element. Pretty much for the exact same reason. But to show you this crystal location. This is the best crystal in the game. But 7.5 SI out of SP, so I've been trying to work on this for a while. I can't even get this one. Can't get it. No, arena. Arena rolls off. I've been trying forever to get this one. That 1% one. I kept getting like Blue Bunny. So I'm getting like Blue Bunny. But I said like Blue Bunny. Or name something better. Since he's so bad. Hang on. Ah, bad pets. He's a bad pet. That's why I'm getting rid of him. A bad pet. Bad pets. There you go. The second crystal location is somewhat other than the altar of elements. Altar elements. It used to only be these three, then those six, then Chevron, then the last one. Would you stop coming up on my screen thingy? Go fast, go fast, go fast. Boop, boop, boop. See this guy? He looks amazing / cool, but not the point. Why do I keep teleporting? I'm gonna put my sword away. Look, I'm swordless because I'm not brawl. Click. Nope, I can't punch. I have a sword. Swords are lame. Let me guess which one that is. The altar or the cloning? I don't know. I know that. Guess which one's which? You said that was cloning, and that was altar. Correct. You have to go to specific place. I think it has it. Not here this lame. Get out of here. I hope no, they got rid of it. There used to be a crystal here to get this pet, not Chaos Titan. I made it to Chaos Titan. Or and this pet, so you can't get them anymore. That's that. No, don't fall. Don't dare fall. Don't. So if you want me to do more Ninja Legends, let me know. I was just showing everything I have. This is my stats. 24.4 Q2. Wonder what that is. Let me know if you know the numbers. Total coins for 49.7 KVZ. Okay. Total kills 424. You see right there, the server 93.3K. That's because the chest at Thunderstorm Island. Lightning. Total cheap. It's 74.62 kilometers. Has jump. Time play 697 3 minutes. King time. You want me to make that? No, I can't. Bosses, nice. Nice. Boom. You said snipes? You want me to go snipe mode? Snap. It's raining seconds. Didn't see any people wanna fight me. Yay! Die! Come on. No! You weren't supposed to. Thank you. Die. It's at 40 snipes. Now I've still 40. No. Great. Snipe.
Go ahead. Let's play with Layla for a little bit, both of you.
Well, this is gonna be at the end of my video. Bye.